Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Soulfully Aligned Women. It is Tuesday morning, and we are here for our morning gathering for a little message and meditation. So come on in. If you're new here, I'm Janice of Soulfully Aligned Women. Happy to be here with you. I come in Monday to Thursdays with a little message and meditation for you to get your day started in your soul center, in your heart. Good morning, Kelly. Hello. All right. Oh, because this is the way we need to start our day. We need to begin our days in that place of peace and calm because there's so much going on in our world that will take us out of that if we're not careful. Now, if you've ever been in, which I am sure you have, had periods of high stress in your life, then you know what that fight or flight does to your body. And I know that I have had those periods of time in my life. What happens when we are in the fight or flight mode? And I was looking this up because I was like, what exactly goes on in the body when we are in fight or flight? And what happens is your body is trying to prioritize for survival. So your heart rate and your blood pressure increase. So your breathing increases. You breathe faster to move the oxygen and the nutrients. Your skin gets pale or flushed, so the blood flow is redirected to the places that it's needed. You don't feel pain, so blunt pain response is compromised. Your pupils dilate to take in more light. Your senses are heightened, like hypersensitive to all sorts of things around you. But your memories are affected and sometimes you black out. Stress hormones are circulating, you're tense and you're trembling. You lose voluntary control of your bladder or bowels because the body is trying to lighten the load so it can run faster. Anything not needed in the moment is actually put on the back burner. So anything that your body normally does function and take care of, it goes on the back burner. So any tissue repair, any digestion, reproductive and growth hormone production, all of that gets put on the back burner and is not considered important. And when you have a scare, like when something happens, like you're almost in a car accident, it will take a normal person 20 to 30 minutes for the body to come back to its normal function, just for, a quick scare. Now, think about when you've had trauma, and trauma, like when you're actually in that car accident and it's horrific, it takes you a lot longer to come back to a normal body function. Now, the thing is what I was thinking about is we are feeling this stress is so much in our lives. For so many people, there's so much stress at work. There's so many deadlines that even just thinking about Monday morning work puts them into stress mode. And this is what's going on in our body. Now, my whole point is that this meditation is so needed to bring our body back, right? To come into the place of calm and peace. And the more we practice meditation, the more we know how to bring ourselves back to the place of peace and calm in between the stresses in life. There's a normal amount of stress in life, but there's an awful lot of people that have an abnormal amount of stress in their life and an abnormal reaction to it. Good morning, Delmaine. Hello. So, having these meditation practices are so important for the function of our body, for bringing us back into a place of peace and calm. It also helps reduce age-related brain degeneration. It improves your cognitive function. You're able to multitask better. So when people say, I don't have time to meditate, it's like, well, you don't have time to not meditate, because if you take 10 or 20 minutes out of your day and meditate, you're going to get more done through the day because your cognitive function is better, right? You know, it improves your memory. Like, there's so many benefits, so many studies that show that meditation is good for you. And it's not only good for our physical bodies, but it's good emotionally and spiritually, because it is the wise part of ourself, the ancient soul that we are accessing, that brings that information in for us. The inspiration, the guidance, the problem solving all comes in when we take the time to be aligned with our heart and our soul. And so, just wanted to remind anybody that's watching this, why it's so important that we have that consistent practice every day. And I know that a lot of you that show up here, you're already doing it. But just a little reminder for all of us. It's like, we need this. We need this. And an encouragement for anyone in the sanctuary to come back to the daily meditations and tracking them. Besides, these four ladies that are like nailing it every week and getting all the prizes, you got to give them some competition, right? So go on into the sanctuary and get in there, do your meditations twice a day, 10-minute meditations, or you can do a couple in the morning with me here, or otherwise it's on the app. It's just going to lengthen your life, bring you more peace and joy, and the wisdom that comes through is priceless. All right. Let's get started on our meditation this morning. So I'm going to invite you to settle in, to light your candle. And breathing in through your nose and letting go. Long, slow, deep breaths at your own pace. Letting everything else go, all the worries. Just set them aside, like you're closing the door to them. And just be here, right now, taking a breath. Noticing how your body's feeling, noticing any sensations, any sounds around you. Just let yourself be aware and present while you take these deep breaths. And when you've had enough long, deep breaths, just come back to your normal breathing pattern, bringing your awareness into your heart. Breathing into your heart space. Bringing awareness into any feelings and sensations in your heart space. letting your heart open up, thinking of moments of deep love, love, overflowing gratitude. One of the best de stressing meditations is just to feel yourself sitting at a beach, facing the water. See yourself settling into this beach, into the sand, getting comfortable, smelling the water. The air is fresh and clean. And it is so quiet and calm here. Perhaps the sun is rising. And the waves are lapping gently against the shore. This could be a place in your imagination or someplace you've been, but just allow yourself to be here, to be in this moment. Feel the waves rolling in and out with your breath. Feel yourself connected to the earth. Notice all the trees, if there's trees around you, how their roots go down deep into the earth. Any plants or grass, same thing. And send your roots down, send your channel of light down from your heart all the way down into the earth, down to Mother Earth, down to her sacred space, to her warm fires and her sacred waters. Feeling her love come back up into your body. And sending that light up into the universe from your heart, knowing that you are connected to all that is. Feel your light open up, receive, fill up. See this beautiful light stream coming down like a waterfall of light, flowing down through your body, all around you, connecting you deep into the earth. And just be here in this moment. Imagine being at the beach, breathing, peace and calm, surrounded by nature and water, held by the earth, all this beautiful, fresh, clean air. No technology, no interference in your energy field. Just being here. And just keep coming back to this beach, filling up your senses. Beautiful. And take a few more breaths here. As you slowly begin to come back, knowing you can come back here anytime you choose, but feeling that peace and calm in your body, that reassurance in your body that all is well. Begin to move your body as you take some deep breaths. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretching. And when you're ready, open your eyes and come on back. Thank you for being here with me. That felt so good. That is my favorite meditation for when we feel that stress in our lives and you need some few minutes just to relieve yourself of that stress. That beautiful meditation is a longer version and a deeper version in the sanctuary. And so if you join the sanctuary, you'll see it there. And it also, the videos in the sanctuary also have, they have videos for you. So beautiful meditative videos if you choose to keep your eyes open. I like to close my eyes, but I try sometimes to watch them because they're so beautiful, but I always end up closing my eyes. All right, you guys, have a beautiful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow morning. I get to paint this morning with the Soulfully Aligned Creative Mystics Certification Group. We are meeting at 9:30, so I love you guys. We'll see you in the art studio. And everybody else, I will see you back here tomorrow morning. Mwah. Have a beautiful day. Bye for now.